Hey guys, thanks for joining us today in the Chemical Guys Detail Garage. We're going to be showing you how to properly coat and protect your vinyl, rubber, and plastic trim. Now this brand new Tesla has vinyl, it has plastic, it has all these kind of accessory trim pieces that are exposed to all the kind of elements that will turn it chalky or milky over time. So we're going to show you how to properly protect it so it looks its best for as long as possible. Now a dressing is going to penetrate the surface whether it's vinyl, rubber, or plastic, and it's going to prevent discoloration, cracking, or any kind of fading. So before we do that, we need to clean it, which is why we're going to use Trim Clean. And this is going to remove any kind of body oils, any kind of grease on there, and also any kind of old dressing. This way you have a completely bare surface, and this is going to help your dressing last as long as it can. So now what we'll do is we'll just take it and spray it onto a microfiber towel. You can spray it on the brush or spray the surface directly. But basically all you want to do is scrub away anything that could be on there. This is a brand new vehicle and it probably doesn't have any dressing on there, but I'm sure it has some handprints or anything could have collected on the surface from polishing it or from its coating. So we want to make sure it's completely bare, nice and clean. And again, this is going to help any kind of coating or dressing last as long as it can, because now it's bonding directly to the surface. Now it's okay if you get it on the paint, it wipes right off. It's completely safe. Just wipe off the excess. You can see it's very light scrubbing. You don't need to actually really manhandle it or be very aggressive with it. Just completely clean it off, nice and bare. And now we'll take our V.R.P, which is a water-based dressing, which is safe for your vinyl, rubber, and plastic, hence the V.R.P. You can use this on your tires, you can use it on a plastic trim to give it a nice deep gloss. It'll be dry to the touch, but the more important thing is that it's repelling UV rays and anything else that's harsh that could actually damage the surface. Start by shaking it up, and then using a microfiber applicator pad, we'll spread it on the surface. And you'll see immediately that there's a difference. We'll just apply a little bit to the pad here. See how it has kind of a neutral gray tone here, but now it's going to be a nice deep gloss black. And again, if you get this on the paint, it wipes right off. It's completely safe. You can use this under the engine bay for a little bit of added touch, a little show shine. Make it look its best. And there you have it. You see just a 50-50 of the neutral, natural look of it, and then a nice deep gloss that matches the rest of the vehicle. So if you guys want to learn more about this product, head over to our website, chemicalguys.com. If you like this video or this car, be sure to give it a thumbs up, and we'll see you guys next time right here in the Detail Garage.